Chief guests are arriving soon. I request all the students to stand up when the chief guests are here. Yeah. A big round of applause, students. Yes. A very good morning to one and all present here. I, Aditya Dharkar, welcome you all for the inauguration ceremony of Society of Automobile Engineers Collegiate Club, MIT School of Engineering. I welcome our honorable chief guest, Dr. Srihari Mandaugane sir, General Manager, Quality Assurance, Tata Motors. Our guest of honor, Honorable Mr. Sanjay Nibande sir, Chairman, SA India, Western Section. Honorable Ramesh Santlal Pasereja ji sir, Deputy Director, SA India, Western Section. Honorable Narhari Prabhakar Rao Wag sir, Director, Vector Engineer Solutions. I further welcome Honorable Professor Dr. Mangesh Karat sir, Executive President, MIT ADT University. Honorable Dr. Sunil Rai sir, Vice Chancellor, MIT ADT University. Professor Dr. Kishore Ravande sir, Principal, MIT School of Engineering. Professor Dr. Rajneesh Kaur Sachdev ma'am, Dean Engineering. Professor Dr. Sudarshan Sanap sir, Head of Mechanical Engineering, MIT School of Engineering. Professor Archana Nema ma'am and Professor Satish Patil sir, Faculty Advisors, SA India Collegiate Club, MIT School of Engineering. A new beginning is always incomplete without the blessings of the Lord. Let us all join hands in honor of the World Peace Prayer. May I request Adesh Falfale to recite the World Peace Prayer for us. I request the audience to please stand up for the World Peace Prayer.
Om Namo Jiyadya Veda Pratipadya Jaya Jaya Swasauvedya Atmarupa Deva तुची गणेशु सकलार्थमति प्रकाशु म्हणे निवृत्तिदासु अवधारी जोजी गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः ॐ पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्छते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request all the dignitaries to proceed for the lighting of the lamp and take the blessings from the Lord. Sir, please. A thunderous applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now, may I please request Professor Archana Nema, ma'am, to brief us about the SAE India Collegiate Club, MIT School of Engineering. Ma'am, please.
Good morning. I, Archana Nema, on behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering, delighted to say that this is an exceptional moment of privilege for me to highly acknowledge the presence of dignitaries, faculty members, and students on the occasion of inaugural function of SAE Collegiate Club. This club is formed in order to encourage enthusiastic and vibrant students and create a platform for them to participate in all-round activities to enhance their skill set. The objective behind forming this club is to meet the global challenges, that is automation of industries for higher productivity, vehicle recycling and disposal, as well as adoption of green technology in vehicles to keep pollution-free atmosphere, to meet the frontiers of ergonomic design, styling, aerodynamics, crash safety, provide extra transport capacity, etc. The Collegiate Club will help the students to utilize their creativity, knowledge, industriousness, adaptability, leadership qualities, team building, and intelligence to apply theoretical knowledge into practice in order to meet the global thrust. I am very happy to announce that under the banner of SAE, we have team of 107 registered student members. I am happy to share that we have started with few activities and got good response from students. For better industrial exposure, we had visited John Deere India Private Limited. To hone their skills, students went for 1 week internship at 2 different service stations. Students also visited CIAT Expo Symposium on International Automotive Technology, which is a benchmark biennial international event organized by ARAI, widely acclaimed by global automotive fraternity. This event serves as a forum for exchange of ideas and brainstorming for the automotive industry, with participation of eminent worldwide experts in various automobile arenas. This experience will definitely help us to kindle a flame of knowledge, making a difference in society. We look forward to strengthen this association in future endeavors. Lastly, I conclude my speech by saying few words for my students. MIT के धरातल पर प्रगति दौड़ लगाती है, धीरे धीरे पल पल देखो तकनीकी बदलाव लाती है, कुछ कर गुजर जाने का जज्बा हर जहन में तैयार रहे, मानव जन्म मिला है तो कुछ अलग अपनी बात रहे, कांटे भी छट जाएंगे प्रगति पथ पर नित आगे बढ़ो, राहें भी सुगम हो जाएगी एक बार तो कोशिश करो, हार से क्या घबराना मेहनत एक दिन रंग लाएगी, फिर जीत से विजयी हो जाना देखो यह आदत बन जाएगी। आओ हमको कुछ अब नया कर दिखलाना है, MIT ADT की व्यवस्था में एक नया मोड़ लाना है, एक नया मोड़ लाना है। थैंक यू। Now there is a short video which is made by our students. There are some few memories of this club from starting of this club. So now we'll proceed for the video.
the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You can beat the world, you can beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself.
Standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name. 'Cause you burn with the brightest flame, and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile, you can walk straight through hell with a smile.
You could be the hero, you can get the gold. Breaking all the records that y'all never could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. And you're never gonna know if you never even try.
Do it for your country, do it for your name. Cause there's gonna be a day when you're
Standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name. 'Cause you burn with the brightest flame, and the world's gonna know your name.
Thank you, sir. May I please invite Professor Dr. Kishore Ravande, sir, Principal, MIT School of Engineering, to welcome the gathering. Sir, please.
Good morning, dignitaries on the dais and the distinguished audience here. It's a great pleasure for me to stand before all of you on this auspicious occasion of inaugural ceremony of SAE India, Collegiate Club of MIT School of Engineering. Honorable Dr. Mangesh Karad, sir, our inspiration for this MIT EDIT University and more particularly for MIT School of Engineering. Dr. Sunil Rai, our mentor, the person who guides us all the time in all our activities. Our chief guest today, Dr. Sri Hari, General Manager, Quality Assurance, Tata Motors. We have the distinguished officials of Society of Automotive Engineers India, Mr. Sanjay, the Secretary, and the Deputy Director, and my faculty colleagues of Mechanical Engineering Department and other departments, and my dear students. At the outset, I would like to extend a hearty welcome on behalf of MIT School of Engineering particularly and MIT EDIT University in general to all our distinguished guests today who have accepted our kind invitation and graced today's function. It's indeed a very happy note that I must mention here that the Mechanical Department of MIT School of Engineering is always in the forefront. And probably I would call, as a principal of this college, I would call this as the star department of MIT School of Engineering, who takes, the department always will be first in every initiative that MIT School of Engineering thinks of, or whenever our executive director tells us to do a particular thing, the Mechanical Engineering Department would be the first to take up that issue and complete it. I think it has got several clubs, and this is an addition. So today formal inaugural function is there, and this is an addition of another club, the professional club at the Mechanical Engineering Department. And I'm really happy when I see that not only just students but entire faculty and the student is like one family which does any activity wholeheartedly and makes it a grand success. If this is an evidence today, you can see the entire hall is full here, and we have distinguished people with us to celebrate and make this inaugural ceremony a grand success. I'm also happy to make an announcement here that the students of Mechanical Engineering, the team which has gone and participated in Indian Machine Tool Expo 2019 at Bangalore, has won the runners-up prizes, in manufacturing technology quiz contest among 30 top teams organized by IMTMA Bangalore. And I must share with you that the best colleges, including IITs and NITs, do participate in this, and I think our students have made a mark in this particular competition. So, congratulations to the entire team, and I must congratulate the entire faculty of the Mechanical Department led by Dr. Stanap, who motivate the student and make them succeed wherever they go in whatever competition they participate. So it's a great thing, and this is more of a great achievement because we are just 2-year-old, and that is something phenomenal. And as I said, and Vice Chancellor was also just saying when we were walking down, this entire fraternity of mechanical engineering, where normally faculty and students would be mechanical, but our honorary president, executive president is a mechanical engineer. Our Vice Chancellor is a mechanical engineer. So we have our founder president, our inspiration, our Dr. Vishwanath Karad sir is also a mechanical engineer. So I think mechanical department is doing great service because the inspiration is coming from all these visionaries and leaders, and I think they are making themselves the most appropriate and group making the entire MIT group of institutions proud of the department. So I, on my personal behalf, also congratulate the entire department. And keep yesterday also, I was just telling my other department colleagues that look at mechanical department, they are very dynamic and they are doing things much ahead than all other departments. So we must gear up. I was particularly telling my department of civil engineering, to whom my profession is civil engineering. So I was telling them, look, you also need to do something very, very smart and see that you are on par with our mechanical department. So anyway, I once again congratulate all of you. I will not take much of your time. And I must only share that I think more than dozen MOUs have been signed by the mechanical department. They must have made in the last 2 years at least 12 to 15 industrial visits. And there are a number of internships that are happening, number of value-added programs that are happening. A lot of industries are coming to department. So I think department is doing wonders. And I take once again this opportunity to congratulate the entire department for having done, succeeded in many things and in fact brought laurels to MIT School of Engineering and MIT Edith University. So once again, congratulations to all of you and welcome to this inaugural ceremony of SAE India Collegiate Club. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a wonderful speech. Let's proceed with the felicitation of our guest for the day. We are extremely privileged to have amongst us Dr. Srihari Mandavgane, sir. He is currently working as General Manager, Quality Assurance, Tata Motors. He has experience of working at lead positions in Tata Motors as Total Quality Management, World Class Quality, Engine Manufacturing and Testing, expertise in implementation of WCQ systems and lean manufacturing solutions. He has been awarded several honors for his achievements, to name a few. First executive in business operations to get MD award, nominated as member of Board of Studies of Savitribai Phule Pune University for Production and Industrial Engineering faculty as an industrial expert. He has conducted various guest lectures in prestigious institutes like IIT Bombay, NITI Mumbai, IMT Nagpur, and Department of Science Technology, Government of India. And therefore, to present a token of appreciation and respect, I take the pleasure to invite our Executive President, Professor Dr. Mangesh Karat sir, to felicitate our Chief Guest, Honorable Srihari Mandavgane sir. A big round of applause, students. Thank you, sir. We are extremely privileged to have with us Honorable Ramesh Paseja, sir, presently heading SAE Western Section as Deputy Director since April 2016. He is responsible for programs development, membership development, planning and conducting training programs, helping student activities, and infrastructure, among other things. After graduating from IIT Bombay, joined in Cummins India Limited, Pune, worked in Cummins and its group companies till October 2015. His major achievements include honor of being Chairman, Technical Committee of IDEMA from 2003 to 2017, was Secretary, SAE India from 2012 to 14, was Convener, Subcommittee of Bureau of Indian Standards, was member of Steering Committee of International Internal Combustion Engine Manufacturers Association. Now, I would like to request our Vice Chancellor Sir Dr. Sunil Rai Sir to felicitate Honorable Ramesh Paseja Sir. Thank you, sir. Today, we have amongst us Honorable Sanjay Nibande, sir. He is currently serving as SA India Western Section Chairman and Deputy Director, ARAI Chakan. He has done MS in Manufacturing Management from BITS Pilani and Master of Management Science from Pune University. He has a well-industrial experience in manufacturing processes and simulations, vehicle testing and dynamics, automobile vehicle development and design evaluation, and in Raben prototyping and tooling. He has an also experience of 13 years in Bajaj Auto Limited, 13 years and working in ARAI since 2015. Now, may I please request Professor Dr. Mangesh Karat sir to felicitate Honorable Sanjay Nibande sir. Sir, please. We are extremely privileged to have Honorable Narhari Prabhakar Rao Wagh sir, Director, Vector Engineering Solutions. He completed his BE Mechanical from Government COE Amravati, Nagpur University in 1983 and MTech IC Engines and GT from Regional Engineering College, now NIT Warangal, in 1985. He has 25 years of professional experience in the area of R&D and vendor component development. Started own consultancy, Vector Engineering Solutions, in 2011. He has served as a senior manager in Mahindra & Mahindra Limited for 7 years, 12 years in R&D and 5 years in component in Bajaj Auto Limited, Pune. May I request Dr. Sunil Rai sir to felicitate Honorable Mr. Narhari Wagh sir. Thank you, sir. Now, I request Professor Dr. Kishore Ravande, sir, Principal, MIT School of Engineering, to felicitate. Now, I would like to call our beloved Dr. Sunil Rai, sir, Vice Chancellor, MIT ADT University, to address the gathering.
Honorable Dais, our esteemed partners and the guests for today's inauguration event of the Student Collegiate Club of SAE, Dr. Srihari Mandagone ji, sir, Mr. Ramesh Pasrija ji, Shri Sanjay Nibandhe ji, and Narhari Wagh sahab. I welcome you all to this finest university in the country as of now, slated to be the finest university in the world. So I welcome you to this unique. And I am saying this with a lot of conviction as our founding father, Dr. Vishwanath Karadji, an iconic engineer himself, and one of the most popular. I was recollecting that all of you were remembering, you know, as mechanical engineers, we know the most dreaded subject is thermodynamics. And Professor Vishwanath Karad was the most popular professor of thermodynamics, and he had a record that he used to walk in the class with duster and a chalk. Normally, when you walk for a class for thermodynamics, you carry 4 books with you, you know, because you don't know how to derive those equations and so on and so forth. So, when I said that this is a unique university because this is a university where there is a unique combination of arts, design, and technology, this integration is now being facilitated by our School of Holistic Development, which all of you are participating so enthusiastically. So I welcome all our guests from SAE for this very momentous day of inauguration of the Collegiate Club. Our inspiration and the guiding force behind all that we do here, Honorable Dr. Mangesh Karad sir, the Executive President, the entire team of engineering led by Dr. Kishore Ravande, Dr. Rajni, and the very active faculty of the Mechanical Engineering Department with Sudarshan Sanap, Nemaji, and all the rest. And not to underplay, just because there is an overdose of mechanical engineers here in the hall, right from the top men till executive president to vice chancellor, it just so happens that mechanical engineers do well in life. However, we cannot do well in life unless we are supported by our other fellows from civil engineering, IT engineering. So we become great because of all this. So I welcome you to this momentous day of this club, and it's always an enthusiasm to see the student projects. I remember a few months back, I was reviewing your projects when you had all displayed your good work in the design, if you recollect. And I was sharing it with your faculty that it's a very exhilarating moment for we teachers when we see you all students doing extremely well. And the kind of activities which SAE is doing, Supra, Vaj, what is it? Vaha. Vaha. I was told it's a French word. The J is supposed to be pronounced as Vaha. And the kind of activities that the club is doing is amazing, outstanding. And I'm sure the way we keep going like this, we will definitely make a mark. India already is now. And I was exchanging some thoughts at the refreshments with our experts here. We are already number one, the topmost manufacturing, number one manufacturing company for two-wheelers in the world. The largest two-wheeler manufacturing in the world now happens out of India. We are also becoming the four-wheeler manufacturing hub. Chennai, our own Ahmednagar, and all these places have already, Aurangabad, for that matter, have already are there on the world map. So things are all happening. And it is such activities which start at the club level, which all of you are doing. So I congratulate all of you, all the members of the SAE club, and you must please acknowledge yourself for this momentous day. Just to recall a few moments about my interaction with SAE. Actually, sir, SAE helped me out long back. I was the chief engineer of a ship called Nirdeshak. It was an IC engine ship. We used to have the Paxman Ventura engine there on that. And so I had a problem that there was a stern tube leak, which is where the place from where the propeller shaft comes out into the sea. There used to be an oil which is used as OEP 69. And it just so happened that we did not have that particular oil. So now here is this ship, and we were actually at sea. So I was flown by the helicopter. I came to the base port, which was Chennai. And then we were trying to find out, I was trying to consult a lot of people. We have our Naval Chemical Metallurgical Laboratory. So I was requesting them, can you just tell me if there is any closest substitute so that I can get the ship at least into the harbor. And once it comes into harbor, of course, we'll have to go through the complete routines. So as I was recollecting, somebody told me go to the SAE office. So we went there. This is now 1983. And there they all sat down, fax day. Those days were of fax days, not fax days, sorry, telex. Telex days, and then they exchanged, and ultimately there was a SAE grade oil, if I remember it was SAE 60, which came closest to the specifications of OEP 69. And fortunately, because of the SAE's help to me, I could bring my ship back to the harbor safely. So I remember this moment. So you all have joined a club which functions, the club which works for the cause of mechanical engineering. Many, many congratulations for the entire team, Nemaji and all the team, the student executives, and also the faculty members for putting together this wonderful thing. And once again, I welcome all the experts from the SAE to the wonderful MIT ADT campus. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a motivating speech. With great pleasure and pride, I would like to call Honorable Narhari Wagh, sir, Director, Vector Engineering Solutions, to say a few words. Sir, please.
नमस्कार. आदरणीय व्यासपीठ, विद्यार्थी बंधू, मित्रमैत्रिणी, फॅकल्टी ॲडवायझर्स आणि प्रोफेसर्स इथे उपस्थित आहेत. तेवढे सगळे मराठी सगळ्यांना येतं का? कोणाला येत नाही? ओके, थोड्या वेळाने स्विच करतो. SAE इंडियाच्या कॉलेजिएट क्लबच्या उद्घाटन प्रसंगी मी तुमचं सगळ्यांचं पुन्हा SAE इंडियाचा वेस्टर्न सेक्शनचा सेक्रेटरी म्हणून स्वागत करतो. सगळ्यांचं जोरदार टाळ्या तुमच्यासाठी. अमंत्रम अक्षरम नास्ति नास्ति मूलम अनौषधम अयोग्य पुरुषो नास्ति योजकास्तत्र दुर्लभा. MIT कॉलेजचं मी अभिनंदन करतो आणि त्यांना धन्यवाद देतो. एक प्लॅटफॉर्म तुमच्यासाठी तयार करून दिलेला आहे आणि त्याचा उपयोग कसा करायचा हे तुम्ही ठरवायचं आहे. सगळ्या फॅसिलिटीज उपलब्ध असतानासुद्धा त्या वापरल्या गेल्या नाहीत तर त्याचा काही उपयोग होणार नाही. म्हणून मला खात्री आहे की MITच्या सगळ्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीजमध्ये तुमचे विद्यार्थीगण आणि शिक्षक सगळे ते कायम पुढे असतात आणि आम्हाला सपोर्ट आहे. जोशी सर आमच्या कायम पाठीशी असतात तिकडे MITला. आणि इकडे पहिल्यांदा आलो आम्ही या कॅम्पसमध्ये. सगळा कॅम्पस आणि वातावरण जे आहे तुमच्यासाठी फारच कंडुसिव्ह आहे. एकदम काम करण्यासाठी पण आहे, उत्साहवर्धक आहे. त्याच्यामुळे तुम्ही किती काम करताय तेवढं कमी आहे. वेळ नाही असं म्हणणारे खूप असतील पण वेळ काढणारे कमी असतील. तिथे 4 ओळी सांगतो. वेळ नाही ही सबब आहे, वेळ काढणे हे कसब आहे. वेळ नाही ही सबब आहे, वेळ काढणे हे कसब आहे. सबब आणि कसब यांचा हा खेळ आहे. ज्यांना खेळता येतो त्यांना वेळ आहे. तर तुमच्या सगळ्यांसाठी वेळ आहे अशी मी खात्री बाळगतो आणि SAE India is not only a mechanical engineering body, what we are talking about. It is a conglomerate of all these branches of engineering prevailing today. You name the branch, civil engineering, roads are required for automotive. Na? So anything you name it and it is related to automotive. So don't think that it is a mechanical related only activities. Automotive encompasses all the branches of engineering. So everybody and anybody is welcome in SAE India. We have a grand office in Wakad. You can visit it. We have a grand library, a digital library. Those who are members, they can benefit. And there is no time now. But you will enjoy the association. And I'm sure the members of Collegiate Club, 107 members, it is a great, I think, number in one college. So I think I must congratulate them and with a round of big applause for them. So they will promote this activity in this beautiful campus. And last line, I will conclude. Kriyevina vachalata virthahe. Unless you do something, talking is not around. This forum is not for talking, it is for doing. So all our events are for doers only. Baha, Supra, FE Cycle, Tifan. Recently we have launched one event for off-highway board that you must be aware of. And your participation is there from MIT also. सो क्रियेविना वाचाळता व्यर्थ आहे. हल्ली वाचाळतेलाच अर्थ आहे. पेपर वाचलं की आपलं समाधान होतं. काय बडबड करतात लोक मस्त. हल्ली वाचाळतेलाच अर्थ आहे. क्रियाशील व्यक्ती गर्तेत आहे, वाचाळ व्यक्ती मात्र चर्चेत आहे. आपल्या बाबतीत असं होऊ नये एवढीच इच्छा प्रकट करतो. सगळ्यांचं मनपूर्वक अभिनंदन करतो. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to call Honorable Sanjay Nibande, sir, Chairman, SAE India Western Section, to address the gathering.
ज्ञानियांचा राजा संत ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज यांच्या चरणी प्रथम मनपूर्वक नमस्कार करून मी माझ्या आजच्या भाषणासाठी सुरुवात करतो आहे. डॉक्टर कराड सर, MIT, a complete team over here, the dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries off the dais, my SAE team colleagues, my SAE well-wishers, and all my friends over here. I would like to give you some thinking thoughts about SAE, why the existence of SAE and why we all are here gathered. I would like to definitely take you forward for a journey which we have already started. SAE has been established from US Internationals, which is more than 110 years old. And in India, we have completed 22nd year. Now we are into 23rd year, and soon we'll be approaching to 25th year as well. So this journey has started in India. The first collegiate club has happened in MIT Kothur campus. I thanks for the management who has a visionary part, Senior Dr. Karad sir, who has given us a blessings and permissions at that point of time, and that journey has grown to a level of nearly 500 collegiate clubs. Exactly 486 collegiate clubs are in existence right now. US is 487th college. So looking forward, what it exactly is going to give us? More than 46,000 students are participants of this SAE. Similarly, more than 3,000 plus professional members from industry are also participants. And there are many collegiate faculties are also part of it. What exactly SAE is looking forward for? We have three major areas where we are working upon. Aerospace is one of them, off-highway is second one, and automobile is third one. We all are part of automobile team, but nevertheless, you can have the cross functions which you can easily cross from each location as a aerospace as well as off highways, where you can be a participant to that. You don't need a separate permission, separate participation over there, but you can go across all the areas wherever it is possible for that matter. The various competitions for students level, which is coming up and very well known as such, like Baha is one of them, which is more than 12 years, 12th edition has happened recently. We have 2 events in 12th edition that will happen in Ropar also. Second event will be happening in Ropar. And very soon we are thinking about third event to start with in South India. So zonal wise, we will be trying to cover north, west, as well as south areas for that matter. Similarly, Manovegam is a aerospace industries forum, and now our president from Boeing industry, Mr. Bala Bharadwaj, he is the president of SAE India. He has committed to take the Boeing show in India by 2020. Being the SAE International president will be also from Boeing company. So that is a privilege which we will be getting soon. So nevertheless, we can always dream of going towards the aerospace industry's involvement as such. Anyway, Tifan is the industry which is the competition which has been taken up in the off-highway board. And similarly, the basic of these policies which we are taking it forward is a knowledge dissipation. What we wanted to do is basically transformation of knowledge. SAE is very well known for its standards, its publications of various thousands and thousands of books, and also the standards which are across the aerospace industry, automotive industry, which are widely available. And foremost is the SAE papers. The all industries across the world is contributing for those SAE papers. The SAE World Congress happens in the month of April every year in Detroit. Similarly, in India, we conduct the CEAT Expo as well as the CEAT Symposium on the paper presentation, which has recently happened in the month of January at Pune, conducted by ARI. There was another event which has happened in the past year that is called as a FICITA. Is again FICITA World Congress, which has happened first time in India, where there more than 350 papers were presented, and all of them rank as international level papers. So faculties and the industry guys, they are really looking forward for those knowledge dissipation from those papers which are available over there. Looking forward, SAE has basic and foremost interest for that, how we can get connected, and the leadership development programs which happens through various conducting these kind of events, papers, symposiums, and many other platforms which are opened by SAE. So that is the foremost thing, is the outcome of it. So we would say how that SAE is going to make my life different, that you are a part of this team now, and everybody is lucky to get into it as a part of members. Similarly, SAE has taken up so many challenges forward to see that the expertise development for industry people as well as the faculty people, and recently we are signing up a new MOU with AICT to conduct those faculty development programs. The first program is already launched, which is going to happen again in MIT as the first part of it, and Western section is driving that faculty development program by picking up all these experts from industry. They have been more than 30 years of experience in industry. The first program which have been assigned for that matter is kind of a new product development processes as well as best engineering manufacturing practices, which is being used by industry. So actual industry, what is being happen and what it is required to get connected is taking over from that perspective. So faculty people will also come to know about engineering practices which is actually deployed in the industry, and engineering people will also get upgraded what international things are happening. So that is how faculty development and professional development activities are being taken forward. That is how overall SAE as per se, but if I look at as a small part of SAE contributor, I started my journey about 12 years back as a technical inspector in a Baha forum. And now, past 8 years, I am handling as a technical chief of Baha event, as well as contributing for Supra event as a OC member, plus Stefan OC member, and we are driving for all those activities which are possible in Western Zone now. Being SAE person, I had got tremendous advantage of first is networking, second is the leadership directions, third one is, of course, the skills which you can inculcate as per your own choice. Maybe expertise in the field of automotive, maybe expertise in the field of your own choice field. Nowadays, the vehicles are not only a mechanical part of it. And I would like to give one message to our Rai sir also, that it is not a mechanical driven part of it nowadays. It is electrical, electronic, and computer science people also can get very well connected, because SAE is open for all of them. Since equally, I would say, the activities which are happening in and around the world is not directly governed by only mechanical things. So a lot of programming, a lot of the debugging activities, a lot of diagnostic activities, a lot of the ECUs and TCUs which are coming from the engine side or transmission management side, who are enabling us to make our vehicles better and better, and looking forward for that kind of a contributions from other faculties as well. So definitely we are open for that. The new scenarios are coming up. Even aerospace industry is also open for that matter. So looking forward for contributions from each and every side is a scenario which I would like to say is open for everybody. As many members get connected with, they will be more and more benefited through this. By the way, the students needs two things. One is self-confidence. Second thing is a way or space to experiment those things. And I think SA is the forum where you get both the things together. By that way, you can develop your own leadership. By that way, you can hone your skills. By that way, you can really become a great visionary in the future life of part. And you can mold yourself to a great kind of a personality. Like today we are on the dais, probably in few years of time you will be on the dais like us. And that is what we look forward for you. Now with this, we will be declaring ourselves as MIT Business, School of Engineering. We'll be having a collegiate club over here. This is a formal opening. We will declare that collegiate club is open over here. And your participation in those events, you all are most welcome to join in the way it is possible, because all that knowledge dissemination is our motive, and your job is to acquaint as much as knowledge today in the form of student. We are also in this stage also, we are learning everything and many of the things which we have not got opportunity for that matter. But today connecting with all of you is really giving us a good connect over there to see that new things, how we quickly and how fast we can adapt for ourselves. With this, I give you best wishes to all of you, and let us see a bright future for MIT School of Engineering, one of the winner in Supra event in the first year itself. Thank you very much. So, thanks.
Thank you, sir. Finally, the moment for which we have gathered here today has arrived. It all started with a dream many of us present here today have, a dream of achieving something big. And now, by formation of SAE Collegiate Club, we have got this opportunity. Now, may I please request all the dignitaries present on the dais to do the digital inauguration of SAE India Collegiate Club, MIT School of Engineering. A big round of applause. Thank you, sir. Now, it is the time to felicitate the student office bearers for SA India Collegiate Club, MIT School of Engineering. I would like to request all the dignitaries on the dais to come forward and felicitate the students.
Mr. Aditya Dharkar, Student Chairperson. Mr. Yashasvi Singh, Student Vice Chairperson. Mr. Vishal Pandey, Student Secretary. Mr. Amansh Madhav Srivastav, Student Treasurer. Mr. Chhatrapati Mahato, Student Program Chair. Ms. Shivangi Bisht, Student Membership Chair. Ms. Vedika Darokar, Student Reception Chair. And last but not the least, Mr. Shantanu Kulkarni, Student Publicity Chair. Thank you very much, sir. May I request
Maybe we can have huge round of applause for SA team.
Thank you very much, sir. May I request all the dignitaries to please take the seats.
Now, I would like to call Honorable Ramesh Pashreja sir to address the gathering. Sir, please.
Dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, faculty friends, and my dear students. It's really fortunate for me to be here to be a part of this inauguration of SAE Collegiate Club, and I'll thank Archana Nema madam was key and instrumental, and she was after me like anything that I want this, I want this, I want this. I don't know whether I fulfilled all those requirements, but I had done my best. So you had a visit to John Deere, and then you had a visit to SEAT Expo and other things. So thanks a lot. I have only one thing that Mr. Wag mentioned in his speech, that we have a digital library in our office. Our office is in Wakad. So I'll request all of you to please take advantage of that. What that digital library is, I'll tell you in a short. Just now we had a story of ship that they wanted that SAE help them with that oil. Something similar if you need, whether it is for your studies, whether it is for Baha, Supra or any event, you are welcome to our library. There are more than 200,000 papers, which includes standards, papers. All those are available free for SAE members. So you can come to our office, you can have a look at that digital library, you can put the words, whatever you are looking for, you can find out. I'll just tell you one thing, if you want to buy a SAE paper or SAE document, it costs anything from $20 to $50. But there you get it free. So you can have a look at that. Of course, you cannot use it for professional work. For student work, you can definitely take advantage of that. So Saturdays are off for you. So you can come there on Saturdays. We are there from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Anytime you can come, and please take advantage of our digital library. So that is my advice to you. So with that, I would like to thank all of you once again and congratulate all of you. And I wish you all the best with SAE. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for such an encouraging speech. Now, I would like to call the most dynamic person on the campus, whose words, like winning personality, inspire the students the most. Any guesses? Okay. It's none other than Professor Dr. Mangesh Karat, sir, Executive President, MIT ADT University. Sir, please.
Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Chief guest of the today's program, Shriyut Dr. Shri Hari Mandogane, the General Manager for the Quality Assurance Tata Motors. Other guest of honor and the Chairman of the SAE India Western Section, Mr. Sanjay Nibandeji, Mr. Ramesh Pasreja-ji, Office Bearer of the SAE India, Shriyut Narhari Wag, another Office Bearer of the SAE India, our Vice Chancellor Dr. Sunil Rai, Principal Dr. Kishore Ravande sir, our Head Dr. Sanap, the Dean Dr. Rajneesh Bedi, other faculty members of the MIT Mechanical Department, MIT School of Engineering's Mechanical Department, all the office bearers of this SAE Collegiate Club, all the chairman and all our chairs, good. And my dear the students of and the members of this SAE Collegiate Club. Yeah, it's a wonderful day. Firstly, I congratulate the department, all the faculty members for showing this great initiative of establishing this SAE Collegiate Club in School of Engineering. And as rightly said by the principal also and by the Rai sir, the mechanical department is always most dynamic department, not only in School of Engineering, but in all colleges. That is my observation. Right from but nowadays, as rightly said by Nibande sir, now mechanical automobile is not only the monopoly of mechanical engineers. We are seeing the driverless cars, we are seeing, so computer and electronics engineers, they are slowly occupying all the positions, all the fields. So you have to be very alert. You also have to occupy their domains. So that is a challenge. So you have to fight, you have to learn simultaneously other branches also. So that is the requirement. Now the manufacturing 4.0, 4.0 is coming, in which what is 4.0? You people may be knowing much better. So the technology is changing very fast, and such type of clubs are necessary in every college. And I still remember I was a student of MIT At my time, there was no collegiate club, but nowadays, MIT and our MIT College of Engineering, they are always in competition with each other. We also hold another program, Robocon. MIT organizes other program, Robocon. Since 2008, we are organizing, we are spending on our own in association with Doordarshan of India, a lot of money to create, technical competence in our students at par with the international, institutions, and that is the competitions are held at Asiatic level, in which the Doordarshan of those countries, they also sponsor the universities and colleges of their country. And finally, so Robocon, Supra, Baha, and so many other the competitions are there. So you people are lucky you are able to show your talent through such events, and this is a great platform. SAE Collegiate Club is a great platform, because you can really test your knowledge and you can really test your ideas through these competitions. So that is the biggest advantage. And friends, do not keep in your mind that we are not from IITs and we are not from the very branded. MIT is also branded, but still we have that, something in mind. IITs only can produce the genius of the world. It is not like that. You can also be the genius. Only thing is that you have to be in action, as rightly said by our speaker, Mr. Wagji. Only nowadays we read who is talking more. We listen to him. We are not politicians. We are a technologist. We are the leaders of the country. We are creators of the tomorrow's world. Not only India, of the tomorrow's world. Any invention of you through this collegiate club can really be very beneficial to the world. Because driverless car, if somebody would have told 10 years back, it was out of imagination of anyone. But nowadays it has, in our India also, I saw the video of the Tata car. The driverless car is manufactured by somebody. So anything is possible, my friends. Only thing is that we should be able to apply your knowledge on the problem, and you can get the solution. All the big inventors like Steve Jobs, he was a 10th, just 10th passed the student, and he has developed the biggest company of the world, Apple. Apple is now the global, not only multinational. The new word has to be coined for the companies like that. They are the global corporations, I will say. So something like that we have to find out, and step by step you can achieve that success. So through this automobile, and as rightly said by Nibandhe sir, you can also participate in aerospace, competitions. Sir, we have aerospace engineering department also in our college. So principal, you kindly tell those people, and computer and Madam Computer and IT people and ENTC people also can become the member of the SAE Collegiate Club. I hope this club, we have really now created one shed. When Dr. Sanap sir told me we have our students, they want to participate in the Supra, Baha, etc. I said immediately we have created, workshop for you, special workshop for you, just to test your capabilities and just to create. My only wish will be, there will be no constraint of budget. Only wish will be you have to really produce good, good cars, good products through that, workshop, through this collegiate club. So that will be the the dream or real success for the university. So Dr. Sanap sir and all the faculty members, Nema, Professor Ugle, Boyer, everyone, you have faculty like Dr. Padde is also there, Chaudhary, every faculty, everyone is very enthusiastic. They really wanted to do, the great work, and this is a the platform to channelize the energy of the faculty as well as the students to create something new, and which will be recognized by the world. Through this SAE Collegiate Club, you can participate. So my best wishes to all the team members, all the faculty members. Now there is a playground. You can play as much as you can. Okay? With these words, once again, I welcome and I am all the guests, Mandavgane, everyone, and I am. They are more enthusiastic than us to cooperate us. They have offered us their digital library. They have offered us other activities. Their association with MIT is since beginning, since 1993 or the 23 years old associations. So Nibande sir and all the office bearers of the SAE Club, SAE India, I assure you that this School of Engineering you can certainly bank upon us for your new initiatives. And we can be the very, very trusted partner of you in this activity. With these words, I conclude my small speech. Thank you. Thank you very much.
That was indeed a very inspiring speech. Thank you very much, sir. With great pleasure and pride, I would like to call our chief guest, Dr. Srihari Mandavgane, sir, General Manager, Quality Assurance, Tata Motors, to address the gathering. Sir, please.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, the worthy professors, teachers over here, and my dear students. I regard it a privilege to be here on this occasion. I regard it a privilege because it has given me an opportunity, in the first place, to visit to an institute of which Professor Vishwanath Karad is the founder member, because he has been our teacher, my teacher, and used to teach the topic of thermodynamics. And the second point being, I heard about this university and the campus. Previously, I visited also once, but I could not see it in details. And then that time also, and today also this time, I was really impressed the way in which the proceedings were conducted, and there is a very good combination of tradition as well as science. Another very important thing today is you all have gathered here for the inaugural of the club membership of Society of Automobile Engineers. I will consider it to be a big event because in various institutes and colleges, there has to be always some events. The psychology behind the events is, it is said in psychology, if you want to motivate, or if you want to make people work, or if you want to put your executives in operation, there are three things. One thing is vision. So by vision itself, people work in a definite way. Another thing is a trend. If you display a trend, then they really feel, okay, this is going wrong, so let us work. And the most important thing is an event. So an event definitely induces its impact on the minds of the people, on the minds of the student, and thereby motivate them to do something. And when somebody does something, definitely some of the things meaningful are coming out of that, and with that, he gets achievement motivation, and thereby his progress cycle gets initiated. So that's why this is a very, very important technique and tool. In industries also, we use this. Quality month as an event. Quality actually is supposed to be done all the day, 24/7. But then as an event, so for enhancement to a higher level. So that's why I must basically appreciate this institute and all those who have initialized this particular initiative in this institute. Now, Henry Ford has said, coming together is beginning. Staying together is progress. And most important thing, working together is success. So now this inauguration has happened. And then you have to continue it in the right spirit, in the right perspective. So that will be staying together and then finally working together. The most important aspect is working together. It is very, very important. Because normally we say knowledge is power. Yes, it is true, but it is partially true. Knowledge is not only power. Knowledge is potential power, like potential energy. Whereas application of knowledge is real power. So that is kinetic energy. So when wheel rotates, then only automobile can move. It cannot move on only potential energy. So this is a fundamental that is applicable to our life also. So most important thing this one has to realize that we must learn. Definitely we must learn. We should have exposure. And for that, this is a specialized exposure, I will say. But there is one fundamental concept. In this concept, it is said that if you want to know about a subject, then read something on that subject. But if you want to learn that subject, then it is said surprisingly that you must teach that subject. And if you want to master the subject, then you must work by your own hands, or you must do hand holding with that particular components of the subjects. So that means ultimately working, ultimately action will lead the results. I am not undermining the potential knowledge also. That is also important. This is also important. But then there are phases like this. So the most important thing is, all things are there. Knowledge is there. We are gathering the knowledge. The first phase is, are we really gathering the knowledge properly and effectively? So that has to be found out. Mr. Wagh, during his speech, he said, वेळ नाही ही सबब आहे. ज्यांना वेळ पाळता येतो ते त्यांचे कसब आहे. So as far as engineering students are concerned, or for that matter, any student is concerned, the most important thing is your daily work management. That means for that it is necessary that we should be doing certain activity in a disciplined manner. And if you are doing them in a disciplined manner, then naturally you will get a time to indulge into the higher level activities. Otherwise, lot of time will be lost in doing submissions, in doing practicals, maintaining the registers. So I have also gone through all these phases, and many times you will find that in your 3 months or 6 months, let us calculate how much time really spent in in-depth study, some kind of doing imaginative thing. But we will find that we are doing just submitting the journals, writing the assignments, and that too not on our own. So then, most important thing is to develop your own to a great extent, and it is quite possible. That what a professor said, that is IIT and MIT. Fortunately, the two letters are common, IT. IIT may be or MIT may be. So only I and M. So that is the difference. And of course, as it is wished that this should become the topmost university. And that will happen if there is a transformation takes place. And initiation has been also there, which I am seeing. So then it is becoming obligatory. on behalf of for all the students, that they should do their daily work management properly, which in industries also we do in our own domain. We try to do. Nobody is perfect in doing that, and then only it is possible for us to do for higher and higher innovations or doing higher projects. So this is one very, very fundamental and important thing for the progress that I am saying to you. Now, you must have seen the movies of Harry Potter. So in Harry Potter movies, what we see, Harry Potter and then his friends, on one of the stations they go, and just they enter into the wall, and then they come into the different world. So now as far as automobile is concerned, there is one important principle, that is focus on future, and you all must be aware about that. So when we enter, Harry Potter enters, it is a different world. Now after a few years in the automobile field also, it will be a different world. Why so? Because point number one, you must have heard about Tesla car. So that is electric car. So automatically engines, IC engines, combustion efficiency, so P theta diagrams, so all these things slightly they come in a danger. Another thing, in the USA, there is one organization that has devised a particular automobile running only on solar energy. Now, normally what we do, whatever is the technology available in the Europe or in the USA, we learn about that technology. But our problem is that we are not developing our own technology. It has begun, it has started, but not has been to that extent. Indians are very good as far as making jugards are concerned. So world over they say that jugad, yes, they are the masters. But if we can do organized jugad, structured jugad, and that too with reference to our own situation in the Indian context, then it is going to be a great thing. Jugad is nothing but an innovation. So useful thing which can be commercialized and it is unique. That is the definition of innovation. So then in that particular case, it is necessary that we should do certain things in a structured way and in our own domain. Today we know the prices of diesel and petrol are increasing. Previously they were decreasing. So we are all dependent on the world politics and reserves of hydrocarbon resources in the world. Because we don't have got sufficient resources on our own. And therefore there is a greatest threat. We have to get migrated to electricity first, because coal will be available, but coal will be polluting. Somebody told that is pollution is also one of the important aspects. So therefore, while you are continuing to work on the various projects which are related to automobiles, engines, then softwares in the automobiles, but then at the same time, my advice to the students and the institution would be, in the Indian domain, let us focus and see what is the need for India. So for example, in the Middle East, you will find that oil is plenty. At the same time, sun power is also plenty. But in India, oil is not that plenty, but sun power, solar energy, relatively it is abundant. The intensity of solar incident radiation in India is, the average intensity is 3 times higher than the intensity of solar incident radiation in the USA. The peak value, it is higher 3 times than the peak value as that of in the USA. But now, the USA government has made a strategy and they are saying by 2030, 30% of their total energy consumption will be through solar energy. So, it is necessary that these are the areas in which we should also try and venture, because it is also related to automobile. So projects like, we know that various times the batteries get discharged on the vehicle. So whether with the help of solar energy, can you devise a sort of accessory which will always supply you, or which will always try to keep your battery charged whenever it is exposed to sunlight. So solar energy is captured and used whenever it is required. We all know that the alternators, they are basically charging the battery. And in case of any problem in the alternator and the battery is stopped, suddenly in the midst of jungle, when you are going with your family, there is a problem. Lights also work on the battery. So whether certain things can be supplemented. There are many people who travel in a very unsafe manner in Punjab, Haryana, even in Gujarat if you go. They have devised certain vehicles in a jugaad manner of their own. Motorbikes, they are already converted with the help of load body, and people are sitting and then they are commuting. So can there be a better design of that? So why only, yes, learn from everywhere in the world. But in today's context, and as far as Indian economy is concerned, one of the most important thing is that if we are getting ourselves delinked from hydrocarbon resources, then India will have got a great economic positive impact. Only this is one direction I am giving it to you, but then you can do many experiments, many projects pertaining to that. And if such kind of projects are being done, many companies, including Tata Motors and other organizations, they will be definitely interested into. Because a unique thing is there, unique things are there, which are applicable to Indian conditions. And also maybe some other countries like Middle East, where intensity of solar radiation is high. And also electric cars are into coming. At Tata Motors, we have made more than 1,000 electric cars. We have given to government on the government order. So the era of electric vehicles has also begun. Era of hybrid vehicles has also begun. So these are likely to become the challenges in front of you all. And therefore, think in that particular domain. You are very intelligent students, disciplined students, and that's why this particular piece of advice, which I am giving it to you. You must have seen the movie of James Bond, Spy Who Loved Me, and you will find the car of the James Bond, it is driving and then going into the sea, it is becoming submarine, and then coming on the seashore, and then ultimately it flies like an aeroplane. So total versatile car, and then it has so much of accessories and so much of arrangements. So now what are those kind of arrangements are there in today, day-to-day our life? So for example, it is very difficult for my mother, she is aged, to come out of the car. So then just a swiveling seat can be an answer. So it is just an example I am giving you. So there can be many such things. You should find out the utility. What is the need? And that need for society, that need for also our country, anywhere where there can be a problem, there it has to be resolved. One Mr. Friedrich Bauking, he's an area manager for the eastern region of Bosch company. We invited him to our company for one reason, that he is a number 2 person in the world having individual patents to his credit. And we asked him, you are from automobile sector and especially from fuel injection system, and fuel injection systems are not that large, but only on fuel injection system, how come you have got 600 patents? So he said, any problem, I see any technical problem, I convert it into a patent. Thomas Alva Edison, he has always said that whether there is a need, I have tried to work on that need. And therefore, Thomas Alva Edison also, you must be knowing, so many inventions are there to his credit. And therefore, one must understand, I will be summarizing because I am aware that we have been taking a lot of time, but ultimately one thing, if it is used properly, Time is money also, and not used properly, it is a mere waste of time. So therefore, 2-3 important principles I would like to narrate here to summarize my speech. Point number 1, it is necessary to learn. For learning, to enable you learning from such kind of associations, most important thing is you need to get organized first properly in doing your routine job. Because if you don't work on the fundamentals, and if you try to fly in the air, so it is not going to really help. It will not really be of great help. Unless you know the fundamentals, you cannot go higher. Another thing is we try to make certain models. And those models we make, say for example, racer car we made. But normally while making, I have seen in most of the cases, people assemble some of the components and then they make those components work. But this is a Jugaad technology. You all are engineers. So I think that whenever you do something, it must be engineered. That means some calculations must be done. And what improvements are required, that must be done. Perhaps you might not have done that because of the constraint. You may not get the components, and you have to use the components or the sub-assemblies available. But the most important thing is, what is the engineering concept? What are the engineering calculations? So that definitely go into that. And the exposure, such as visits to various factories as John Deere, they are important because seeing is believing. When I heard about or read about a valve in an engine, and then I went to Tata Motors truck division, it was a very, very big valve. So then I asked, what is this? Then the person over there, he slammed me, you are a graduate engineer, joined in Tata Motors, and you don't know what is this? Sorry. So it is a valve. Okay. Because I thought valve must be of this size, engine's valve. But it was of this size as far as truck is concerned. And cars, it will be, you will find of this size. And for motorcycles, it may be further less size. And then I realized why in the books of hydraulics, adjacent to the picture of a turbine, they show a man standing there. And the man is standing there and the turbine is there. But then that means they want to indicate how big the turbine is. Otherwise, you will also feel that turbine is also like our bhingri, bhora. So seeing is a necessary. In internship, I have seen people are doing the things. So doing is also necessary for one simple reason. Even if you have to do arti, then also it is difficult because I found for my son, I asked him to do it first time. So handling the two things together, so he found it very difficult. So doing any simple thing is difficult, and if you practice it, it is simple. So that is the crux. So that's why it is necessary we should do. A very nice idea I observed over there while lighting the lamp. A piece of camphor is put over there. So they have eliminated the possibility, because most of the times what happens, chief guests go there and then they try to ignite and then the flame is not coming. So the best thing is put camphor there, so no issue. So this is also creativity. This is also implementation of one idea, application of a property of a material in other contexts to save the time. So these are small things. Important thing is, please learn. When exposure is there, this is a specialized exposure. Otherwise, on Google, there will be 1,000 sites and we don't know really reliability. And then here it is a information collected in a structured manner from an authentic source. So you should go to that and you should try our country made proud. So we need to have, like ISRO is an organization, and it has launched the satellites and it has launched the missiles. Last 22 launches of ISRO were successful. Even the Mangalyaan project of ISRO, that was also very, very successful, and efficiency parameters wise, it is much better than the US, because US could not do that in first attempt. So we have got caliber, knowledge we should gain, and definitely application of knowledge we should always do. And application of knowledge, definitely these are the avenues. You should visit industries, visit factory, do project yourselves here, and let MIT develop the products which can be patented on the name of the institute and show it to the various institutions. So on this day of inauguration of SAE group membership of MIT as an institutional activity, I must in the first place, sir, appreciate the management, appreciate the staff who all have organized this event, and also the SAE organization, because it is their initiative also that they are reaching to the institutes also, offering many facilities also. It's indeed a very nice work, very good work, and they are almost working like missionaries. That is what I believe. And with this, once again, I thank the management, because after coming here, I realized what Professor Vishwanath Karad used to say previously. He used to tell us many things. And one of the important things still I remember, which he used to taught us, is if a stone is there at the top, and then if you push it, it will come down. No time will be and effort will be required. But the same stone, if it is to be taken to the top, lot of effort will be required. So there are many learnings like this, and at this moment of time. Now, once again, I give best wishes to you all on my behalf, and thank the institution for inviting me for this particular inaugural session. Thank you very much.
Please accept our sincere gratitude for the outstanding speech you gave. Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your time and experiences with us. Now, I would like to invite Professor Satish Patil, sir, Faculty Advisor, SAE Collegiate Club, MIT SOE, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning, all. I, Professor Satish Patil, Faculty Advisor, SAE Collegiate Club, MIT School of Engineering, deem it a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's ceremony a resounding start of SAE Collegiate Club. First and foremost, on behalf of Mechanical Department, I thank our chief guest, Dr. S.P. Mandavgane sir, General Manager, Tata Motors, who despite of his busy schedule has found to grace this occasion and shared his ideas of putting knowledge into action. I owe special gratitude to great visionary Dr. Vishwanath Karad sir, Founder President Mahir, for his unstinted motivation. We are grateful to have guest of honors, Mr. S.S. Nibande sir, Chairman SAE India Western Section, and his colleagues, Mr. R.S. Pasrija sir and Mr. N.P. Wagh sir from SAE India Western Section for their words of encouragement. We definitely have more interaction with Nibande sir after lunch today. I am sure his guidance would encourage us in club's future endeavors right from today's inaugural ceremony. I thank Dr. Mangesh Karad sir, Executive President, MIT ADT University, for his stewardship, support, vision, and commitment. I also thank Dr. Sunil Rai sir, Vice Chancellor, MIT ADT University, for his continuous support and guidance. I thank our Dr. Kishore Ravande sir, Principal, MIT SOE, for his support for the function. My heartfelt thanks to the Dr. Sanap sir, Head Mechanical Engineering, for his meticulous planning and execution, and also all heads of various departments and the faculty for their valuable guidance and encouragement in all our efforts. Last but not the least, I thank you, my friends, for your cooperation and making this ceremony a resounding success. Once again, I thank you all of you for your attention. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, I would like to request everyone to rise up in honor of our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य